helping everyone respect others.
I want you to know we could be bully-free, but it starts with you and me. One way to stop the Deceptor and his gang is to make sure that we are always living a bully-free life. I want everyone to repeat this after me. Say, I am bully-free. It starts with you and me.
Call today, 1-888-315-6772, or go to www.omegamansschools.com and have the #1 school assembly in your classroom.